Hello everyone, today in this video we're going to go through how you sign somebody into the business. So first we're going to sign in here. This will take you to your home page. Then from your home page you go to the referral summary, you go placement map, then you will enter your secondary password, and then you will see your binary tree here. So obviously, depending on you, whether you want to put the person you want to bring in left or right is completely up to you. But today, for demonstrational purposes, we're going to go on the right. So you want to click on the lowest account here, or here on this side if you want to go this side. And then you click this little box with the arrow up here. So you click down. Sometimes it will ask you to enter your secondary password again. In this case, it did not. So then you see here the first free accounts. All the accounts with the plus are free accounts that you can enter somebody and register somebody in. So let's take this one here. This should open the registration page. Sometimes if it does this, if it doesn't load, just press refresh and then it will load, you see? So here you see package pin we do not need. So we're gonna do that. So you leave this the same. Wherever you're from, you can put the country where you're from. You see here all the different countries. So I am German, so I will put this. Then applicant name, you will put whatever you feel like. So you don't need to put your actual name. You can put anything that you like. So today we're gonna put Peter 1, username Peter 1, date of birth, you can choose anything. Okay, maybe not 2010, but 1990, February. So this can completely be anonymous as well. Email address, peter@gmail.com. So you need to put your email, obviously, to receive the messages. peter@gmail.com to confirm it. And then you don't need these. So I'm gonna mark here what you need and what you don't need. So this you need, this you need, this, and this. And then what you don't need to enter, so you need to enter something, but you don't need to enter your actual details here. So this you don't need, this you don't need, this you don't, this you don't, and this you don't. So what you can do here is you can put 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, again, and again for mobile number. So these fields you are required to enter something, obviously can be anonymous. These fields you are not. So we click on next here. We are going to remove the annotations. Then we come to this page and this is the password. So I always like to set up somebody with the password, primary password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Secondary, the other way around, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you click acknowledge and then you submit. Obviously, I have nobody to register right now, so I will not click submit, but this is how you do it, and the password can be changed after. So I will close this and I can show you really quick where you can change your password. So after you go on profile, change primary password, change secondary password, and that is where you can change it. Okay, I hope this has helped you and you can now register your first friend or whatever. So thank you very much. Bye-bye.